So here we need to expand sine of 4a. Let us begin. So here we'll start with sine of 4a, and we can express the angle 4a as a multiple of 2, so that we get sine 2 times 2a. Now here we are going to apply a formula where we have sine of 2 theta given by 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. Now in our case, theta is 2a, so that means we are going to get 2 times sine of angle 2a multiplied to cosine of angle 2a. Now again, we can expand to sine of 2a, so that's going to give us 2 times sine of angle a multiplied to cosine of angle a. Now here we have cosine 2a. Now cosine 2a can be expressed as cosine 2 theta equals to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So this can be used to expand cosine of 2a, which is going to give us cosine squared a minus sine squared a. Okay, so let's now expand. So 2 times 2, that's going to be 4 sine a cosine a. So 4 sine a cosine a multiplied to cosine squared a is going to give us 4 times sine a times cosine cubed a, and minus we have 4 times sine cubed a times cosine a. So this is going to be the expansion of sine 4a.